All right, fam. Shout out to Packing Out and Miguel Jimenez for this first look at the Pack Out Cup. This is the legit Pack Out Cup. I don't know how they got it. Don't ask me. Go ask them. But it looks pretty solid. I mean, you can pick up an entire Pack Out cooler with it. It's got that removable dust cover on top there. I hear it's magnetic, I think. And it's got a funky mechanism. I thought it would be a slide and lock, but this is a complete twist and lock, which means that copycats should be all over the market soon enough, because that does not look like a difficult mechanism to duplicate. So I'm looking forward to all of the DeWalt pack-out cups that will be coming soon, for sure. Switching gears, you guys know I don't like to do these without some kind of deal. Over at the Home Depot, and shout out to, I believe it was Tiger, Llama, and Bruce of Deal Team 6 that found all these. I think Colin found the light. Let's do the Ryobi light first. You can hack the Ryobi light currently over at the Home Depot right now, free gift with purchase. And here's the deal, fam. With a lot of these promo items, Home Depot is actually being very selective on what you can and can't split up on most of these. So you can get the Ryobi Rocket Light for $76. I think you can split this up. It looks like you can indeed split this up. I've been seeing a lot of people have issues with this sort of method, but on this one you can. Now, this is a big set. I realize that. Big set, but it's pricey because it comes with... Whoa, what just happened there? Let's head back over there. Darn cryphone. It comes with an 8.0 and a 12.0 in this set, and it's hackable. It includes the blower, the trimmer. Why is this not working? Whatever. The blower, the Polesaw, and the power head. And you can get a 6.0 to hack the price down. You add that 6.0 to the cart, and the price breaks down to $137 for the 6, which is absolutely atrocious. And $601 for the Polesaw with the blower, 2 rapid chargers, an 8 and a 12. Is that good? It's so-so. But finally, this is the deal here. And before we get to that, let's check out the prices on the pack-out cups, because I completely forgot. You guys know every Monday at Tool Nut, check the new tools section. This is the way to go if you guys like new tools. The pack out cooler, $249. Pack out cups, $29 and $35. The staplers, $229, $299, $599 for the cowboy stapler, I think they're calling it. Some weird stuff like that. Those staples are proprietary and super expensive. Finally, this is going to be the lone tool in the thumbnail. I'm sorry I'm stretching this out, guys. It's been a long morning. So you're going to go to the link that'll be in the description down below. Select the 5.0, add them to the cart. You can split it up in the cart, hopefully. $226 for the power head, the trimmer attachment, the Polesaw attachment, an 8.0, and the charger. That's not bad at all. Now let's see if you can split this one up. Okay, so there's your battery. There's your kit. Switch that to pickup. It appears that yes, you can pick this up. Or I'm sorry, you can split this up. You absolutely can split this up. The issue that a lot of you guys are complaining about is that you can't ship to store and ship to home and then split it up that way. They won't let you do that. but most stores have this 5.0 in stock. So just set that for store pickup and have your trimmer kit Polesaw attachment shipped to the house. That takes care of the splitting up. Once you get your attachment kit battery set combo deal, then go ahead and cancel that battery. You might have to call the store. I know that people have been able to do it through the online chat. $226, that's a stellar deal. They've got almost 3,000 of those bad boys in stock. Get on it, fam, because this one lasts till Sunday. That's it for this drop. Have at it, fam. Good luck.